how it is written as a continual stroke which begins above the line and extends below the line. So let me explain that to you practically. So if it's written like this, it starts from here, it comes here. So it starts from it's continuous stroke, it starts from the above the line and it finishes, it extends below the line. And in all situations it's similar to that. Okay, so in the beginning it looks like this, and in the middle it looks like this. Okay, and at the end looks like this. Okay, so you can connect all the letters here with it and after it. Okay.